Hey, Smokey back here taking a shit. Ezel.
Look at that, crew members.
That's enough damn salt there, Willie.
I know what I'm doing.
We're gonna try this thing with the honey on it. Crew members, what's popping, what's shaking, what's baking, you feel me? Shout out to my boy Barrier Foods, man. Shout out to all of the food critics out there in the world, man. You feel me? Right here at home in the Bay Area, you understand me? Y'all rocking with your boy Baby Bruh and the crew, guys, you feel me? And I'm up in here, I'm in the sauna, no cap. Rocking that Baby Bruh. Oh, let me show y'all, let me show y'all. I'm finna just do a quick mukbang for y'all, man. We finna get some, you feel me? Some spicy chicken thighs. Oh, my bad. How you doing today?
Good, and you?
All right, I just want to let you know those Beyond Chickens is not it. Oh!
The what?
The Beyond Chicken?
Oh, the Beyond Chicken.
Man, that shit, bruh. I did a YouTube video on that yesterday. I almost threw that shit up. No
so
cap.
Nasty. I be feeling bad. Just actually your white guy who comes over here gets it every day though.
Is you serious?
I'm serious, dead ass. He gets a 6-piece with a lot of hot sauce.
Your boy Baby Bruh got the bag. Boom. KFC. I gotta get a thumbnail in. We gonna get a thumbnail in. You already know what it is. Should I try this? Should we try that, crew members? I don't know. Y'all comment down below and let me know. Ooh, shit. Look at that, crew members. Ooh, look at that. It's that spicy chicken. I'm telling y'all, man, they got the best spicy chicken, bruh. Breast, juicy as hell. And you gotta come in the daytime, man, while they cooking this shit. This shit hot. You know this just came off the fry. Look at that thing. Just fresh. Diet, Pepsi, Coke, whatever the hell. And I got some fries right here, guys. I don't know if they gave me some hot sauce, man. I wish they would have gave me, but I really don't need the hot sauce because I'm going to the gym after this.
Cap.
And that's gonna give me acid reflux. So we got some honey. Did I say honey go good with chicken?
Sir.
Your boy finna get a thumbnail in real quick, guys. You feel me? And then we finna jump straight into this. No cap. Oh shit. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Man, didn't I tell y'all to quit calling me?
To inform you about a new low-cost...
Hey, look, check this out, man. I'm with Baby Bruh and the crew, you understand, man? We is shooting a KFC mukbang, bruh, and I don't want to hear none of that right now. I need for you to delete my number and stop calling me. Go call somebody else who don't got a life right now, because I am a YouTuber. Oh! Make sure you subscribe to Baby... The motherfucker hung up on me on the gooch.
That's enough damn salt there, Willie.
I know what I'm doing.
We diving into this straight up, y'all. They gonna review their fries. Hey, y'all, they fries was never top tier to me, but man, a good KFC fry though will satisfy you, no cap. It's weird as hell. I don't know if they fry them, take them out, they got like a little batter on them. I don't know if they batter them 10 times, you feel me? Take them out. Because they look old, but then they don't, but then they crunchy, but they taste good. I don't know. It's crazy. I give these fries a 5.5 out of 10. You feel me? No cap. Your boy Baby Bruh ain't ate nothing all day, y'all. You feel me? I'm out here on the grind, running around. How much was this, man? Fries, drink, $10. Can't beat that. Bussin'. All right, y'all, let's dive into this chicken though, no cap. Man, they should have gave your boy some hot sauce though. How you gonna give somebody some chicken, man, without no hot sauce, bro? That don't make no sense. You know what I mean? Mustard on the chicken. I see this a lot on TikTok, YouTube. I don't really give a damn. Look, I get down and dirty with it, man. I ain't got time for all that. We're gonna try this thing with the honey on it. Damn, that was all crust. Y'all see that seasoning in that thing? That's all you need is 2 buns for this. No cap. Hot as hell. The breast is not dry, y'all. It got stupid flavor. But overall, I give this chicken a 7 out of 10, no cap. KFC. Hey, y'all, I can't wait though. Vegan Mob having a big event in the town. I'm from that filthy. Make sure I go check that video if y'all haven't, man. Vegan food. It's called Vegan Mob. Vegan soul food, guys. The food was amazing. Go check out that video. Run that video up. Get that video a like, man. If y'all rocking with the crew. I've been grinding hard for y'all. You feel me? Hey, this chicken is crunchy as hell, no cap. See, like this, I don't know if y'all can see that. What the fuck is this, man? All that gummy shit. I don't like that, man. That's I ain't gonna lie. I wish I had a Jollibee that was closer, man, because Jollibee chicken is just next level. Like, Jollibee spicy chicken, a 10 for sure. All the way around. But I don't know. I'm trying to get KFC they shine. You feel me? I might not be eating this shit for a long time. Jollibee chicken, you can eat a whole bucket of that shit and it won't taste weird. But that's it, crew members, for this video, man. Just came to bring y'all a little review, a little food review, you feel me? If y'all rocking with it, man, you feel me? Thank y'all for rocking with the crew, you feel me? Make sure y'all get this video a like, you feel me? Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, you feel me? Hit that bell for them post notifications, crew members. And I'll see y'all soon on the Gooch.